guys, well, we're starting off with the perimeter with the concealer that's close to like your foundation color for your skin tone. And then we're going in with a lighter color for the highlighted areas. And here I have a small dense brush that I like to blend my highlighted areas out with. And now I'm going in with a bigger kind of dense brush, so dense kabuki brush, to blend out the border area. I'm going to apply a little bit more of this concealer just to make sure I have full coverage and that the highlighted color is not taking over my face. And it's always good to go back and forth with your blending. That just gets you the optimal blend. Now after those two colors are blended, that's when I like to go in with my contour color. It just makes things easier for me to do it in this order. And I always like to use an angled brush for my contour, and it's going really fast, but I'm working it in small circular motions on my cheeks. I'm also applying this onto my eyelids. I like to use my contour color as my eyeshadow for natural looks. And here there's no more product that I added to this brush. I just used that kabuki brush to go back in and blend all the lines in. So here I have my setting powder and a flathead loose bristle brush, and the product is more dense for this area that I'm setting, which is the highlighted area. And now as you can see, I'm dusting a lot of that product off for the rest of my face. And I'm also going to set my eyelids. And here I'm just going in with my highlight, and that's basically the 5 products that I used to get this look. Now you could take it a step further if you don't have lashes on already and your brows aren't done, to do your brows, and I went in with some eyeliner. That would up it to about maybe 8 products.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. This is my no makeup look in 5 products. We're just using 5 products. So I used 3 concealers from LA Girl in the shades medium beige for my highlighted area, Fawn for the outer parts of my face to act as like the foundation, and dark cocoa for my contoured areas. And I just have shea butter on my lips. You can just use lip balm. I didn't count that. And to set the concealers, I just used a loose powder. This is the shade that I use from Maybelline to set my entire face. I put more product on the brush as far as the setting powder when it came to setting my under eye and highlighted areas, and then I used a light amount of product for the rest of the face so I wouldn't look so ghostly. So that's the 4th product. And the last product is this. This is what I use for highlight. This is as you can see, this is so old, guys. I got it from Ross. My sister got it for me like years ago when she used to work there, and so I still have it, and it's still a bunch left in here. But if they don't have that, you can just use your favorite loose pigment powder or highlighter, whatever highlighter you use. This one would have been a good one to use as well. This is a loose pigment powder by LA Girl, and it's in the shade Glowing. This was $2. The concealers were $3 each, and the powder, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was around $5. So 9, 11, around $16, under $20 you get this look. So that's the 5 products that I used. If you want to count the brows and your lashes, and things like that, I used, you know, this, I'm not even sure where I got this from, but it's, you know, brow gel and powder in one, a 2-in-1 type of thing. It's so messed up. But, you know, that would have been the 6th product, and then mascara or lashes would have been the 7th product. So you still would have got this look for maybe like 7 products. Yeah, and this is perfect for like interviews, or if you just don't want to do too much with your makeup but you still want a kind of natural look. And that's what I did it for. I'm going on an interview in like the next hour and a half. So I didn't want to do too much with my makeup. And this is also for people who are new to makeup, who don't want to spend too much money while experimenting.